Hey everyone, Corbin here from MITac Training. Today we're doing a shooting review of the Glock 23. We're using a Lone Wolf Distributors 40 to 9mm conversion barrel, and I'm doing a lot of drawing from concealment throughout the video. So I'm basically just practicing the fundamentals of defensive shooting. So let's go and make some noise. You notice that's hitting pretty hard. Right now I'm shooting a 40. Later we'll go put the conversion barrel in. Alright, let's put a 9mm barrel in. So what we're shooting right now is the Tula steel case ammo. So it seems to be working pretty good so far. I'm gonna put about at least 50 rounds through it with this barrel. Now let's back up a little bit. It's about 21 feet there. Good. Alright, so now we got the Magpul magazine. We've got a Federal 115 grain, just practice ammo. The last one we're using were ETS, the translucent mags. So those ran great with Tula ammo, aftermarket magazine, aftermarket conversion barrel. And I haven't changed any of the parts in this gun to 9mm. They're all still stock 40. Only difference is magazine and the barrel. Do some more shooting. I love that little dual seal target down there. My dad just built that out of scrap parts. So it's working great. It's the first time really putting it through its paces, but we're gonna do that today. Yeah, definitely gonna conceal carry this every day. This thing's getting hot. I can feel it in my holster. Need to aim. Whew. Yeah, another one of the ETS translucent mags. Obviously works great. More of the Federal 115 grain ammo. Alright guys, that was the last shot. This is a factory magazine with Tula empty chamber, didn't lock it to the rear. So that's happened a few times off camera with this setup. So not perfect, but with carry ammo, it's been flawless for me so far. Alright, so we're here a little bit farther back, 20 some yards. So I'm gonna do a little bit of slower shooting and see how accurate we can be. About a 5-inch target, little guys. Making them dance. Alright, so I'm gonna try to hit those little targets again, a little more challenging. Alright, let's go back a little farther. Not hitting it as many times as I'd like to, and honestly, I just want this out of my holster. The little threaded barrel parts burning my thigh. Does not feel good. Cool. Yeah, I got at least 17 hits on target. One I couldn't find, maybe hidden in there somewhere. All right, let's do some more shooting. There we go. Yeah, it's not locking the slide back to the rear on the last shot. Happened both times. Alright, so you guys have seen on camera with the last shot with the range ammo, it's not locking back. So right here I have one shot in the ETS, the mag pull, and the factory mag of the Hornady 124 grain plus piece. This is what I carry. So it should, I never had a problem with them. We're gonna find out on camera. Well, there you go. Alright, so that's the mag pull mag. That one worked. The ETS mag worked good. Factory mag worked good. So I don't normally carry this for defensive purposes. I normally carry it in 40, and pretty much for that reason right there. You haven't seen any major malfunctions, but again, I want it to run flawlessly, so I haven't had any issues with the factory barrel and factory magazines. So there you go. Those 3 of my carry rounds. Consistently. So let's see what we can do with 17 rounds. Alright, take a couple steps back. Alright, back up a little more. Alright, let's take a shot at the little one so the thing stops moving. Alright, well, I think that's good for that one. Alright. Wow. Almost got to the end of the range. It's 2 for 2. Let's hit the little guy on the left. I think I'm going to hit the stand on that one. It moved a little bit. Got it. There we go. 3 shots left. Let's go all the way to the end. Gosh, every time. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. A lot more shooting this one. I definitely burned through a lot of ammo. This thing is really hot. I'm not putting it in my holster for a while. So yeah, definitely check out my Facebook page, MITac Training. I'll have classes I'll be doing in the future posted to there. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys later. It's hot.
I got that on video.
Touch my skin.
It's trying to, yes.
Oh.